Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are you all, students? I hope you all are well. What is this in my hand, students? I see this is a stick, only a stick in my hand. But when by this stick, when I indicate this flower, in that time this stick is called an indicator. Is it, students? When anything is indicates something, that is called indicator. In our world, all objects has some indicators. Like our economy, like our economic system has also some indicators. By these indicators, we have imagined or we have calculated the economic condition of our country. Today we will learn about the economic condition, learn about the indicators of the economic system. Which indicators calculate the economic system of our country. Here the definition of GNP or gross national product. The monetary value of the amount of material and immaterial goods and services produced in a particular period. Particular period means normally 1 year. By investing the labor and capital of a country is called GNP or gross national product. That means in within 1 year what we have invested and our labor cost, everything we earn, which amount is we earn by this labor and capital, that is called GNP or gross national product. Here example of measuring GNP or gross national product. By 3 ways we have measured GNP or gross national product. First one is taking the produced goods and services into account. Produced good means ultimate goods like books. Here the bamboo. Bamboo is the raw material of the book. And when we purchase bamboo, bamboo has a cost. After that, we from bamboo we made paper. When we purchase paper, paper has a extra cost. And bamboo has cost and paper has cost. But when we take books from the paper, the books has another extra cost. But these 3 costs are not included in our GNP. Only the cost of the books or the price of the books are included into our GNP. And that the all product, the ultimate, that means the books is the ultimate product. The paper and the bamboo is not our ultimate product, and the paper, the cost of paper and the cost of bamboo is not included in our GNP. Like book, all product, like any fan, like any pencil, like anything, any toys, every goods has the ultimate goods, and the cost of all ultimate goods, all ultimate goods are adding in our government, and the cost of all goods in 1 year in a country, the summation of all goods are the measurement of the GNP. After that, this is the one way of the measure the GNP. The second one is the measuring aspects of the second is the taking the earned income of the factors of production into account. Here the factors of production is the main focus. Do you remember what are our factors of production? In previous chapter we have already learned about the factors of production. Yes, students, the factors of production were land, labor, capital and organization, and these four factors has some income, and we already know about their income. Do you tell me what were their income, earned income? Yes, students, the land's income was the rent, the labor income is the wages, and the capital's income is the interest, and the organization's income is the profit. And these four income, these wages, profit, interest and rent, the summation of these four earned income is the measurement of our total GNP of 1 year. Here, when we measure the GNP, in GNP included is our income of our citizen of the in a country, income of the citizen of a country. Here the income of foreigner is not included, only the citizen. If citizen are live in other country, this income also include in the GNP. Like any person live in Saudi Arab and he is the citizen of Bangladesh, that time his income is included in GNP. But a foreigner live in Bangladesh, but his income is not included in GNP. So the citizens' income, like the factors of production are the citizens' factors of production's income is included in GNP within 1 year. The other aspects of measuring is taking the total expenditure of the society into account. Here focus on the expenditure of the society. What is the expenditure of the society? The expenditure of society is the we are the member of society, or consumers are the members of society. So the expenditure of consumers, like by which prices we have or purchased the goods, that is the expenditure, and the total amount of expenditure in 1 year is the total measurement of the GNP or gross national product. Like explain with an example. Here we have a marker and we have a duster. I am a consumer and I buy a marker and also buy a duster, and another 5 people buy some another 5 things or many things. All people of the society buy many things from the society. The expenditure of all things or the cost of all things are measuring in GNP and within 1 year. This is the another way to measuring GNP. So students, we have knew about the 3 types of measurement of GNP. That means how can we measure the GNP of any country within 1 year. If I recall it, which thing is included in GNP? At first is the cost and the income of citizen, and obviously the year within 1 year. When we measuring GNP, we always focus on the cost, income of citizen, and the time. Time is 1 year. If we understand the definition of GNP, obviously we will understand the GDP. So what is GDP? GDP is the summation of the financial values of the amount of the ultimate goods and services produced by the people of any country in a specific period. Here the specific period means 1 year. And here the summation of financial values of the ultimate goods and services people of any country. The GNP and the GDP's main difference is the people of the income of the people of the country. In GNP we have included the income of the citizen, only citizen who are live in our country and who are live in the outside of Bangladesh, in another country. But in GDP, the income of the people within the country or within the territory of Bangladesh, their income is included in GNP, like the foreigners' income. Any foreigner who live in Bangladesh, their income is included in the GDP. But the citizen of Bangladesh who are living abroad, their income is not included in GDP. The main difference is this, but the measurement of GDP and GNP is almost same. But the main difference is the income of people, income of which people included in GNP and income of which people is included in GDP. So we have understood the income of the people in our territory or the territory of any country is included in GDP within 1 year. And which income? The ultimate goods of any income, any goods of income that or services. Here services means many professions have that not goods, it has services, like the doctor, the teacher, they give services in the society and society pays them for the services. That is called GDP. I hope you all understand about the definition of GDP and GNP. I make a worksheet for you, and I send the worksheet in the website. Please solve this worksheet and send to me. Thank you very much, students.